From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm Penn State Campus Weather Service meteorologist Connor Friedoff here with your forecast. Beaver Stadium cam showing it's cold and it's cloudy. 37 degrees and some cloudy skies mainly been the norm in the late week here. So far, the wind has been the main narrative today. 14 miles per hour out of the west, causing a bit of a stir. Moving on, bringing that feels like temperature down all the way to 29 degrees. Visibility is good, however. For much of the central portion of the state, we have mainly those temperatures in the 30s and 40s. Once you get over to the Susquehanna Valley, you start to see the 40s, but you can look at these streamlines. Very strong wind coming out of the west, bringing those temperatures down. For the whole state, we're seeing that wind mainly up in the lakes. We see a lot, some fairly substantial wind gusts in Erie, bringing it down to 35. It's lowest in Johnstown at 32. In Philadelphia, it's 48, still a bit chilly for that region at this time. We've seen a few snow showers today, mainly in the western portion of the state, affecting Pittsburgh, the Laurel Highlands, a little bit in Erie. State College saw a few flakes there before lunchtime, and up in Scranton they had some rain and snow, some bouts of rain and snow as the afternoon chugged on. An Atlantic storm starting to make its way and exit out by Nova Scotia. Mainly some snow in New England and off the coast there. Just some rain in places like Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley. That's pretty much the narrative here. Other than that, mainly cloudy skies for the Rust Belt today. Future weather, we can see some snow bands coming in on Saturday. And then Saturday, further on, we see some clearing up skies, some clouds, but then the next big storm making its way through on Sunday. It's going to make travel treacherous throughout the whole of the state, mainly in the main Mason-Dixon line, Harrisburg, Allentown, Philadelphia, the Lehigh Valley, seeing those rain showers. But of course, when you have northern Laurel Highlands near the New York border, area surrounding Lake Erie, and right here in State College and along the I-80 corridor is where you could see some of the treacherous snow as well as a rain and snow mix. So it's going to make travel quite dicey if you have anywhere to go. So plan accordingly. Try to stay home if you can. You might have to have an alternative plan in case something goes wrong, in case this turns out worse than it is. But it'll make its exit, and on Monday we might not see too much snow showers. If you're in the Laurel Ridges near the lakes, you have a chance of snow to start your Monday morning commute. Bringing it out a little bit more to the regional side, that storm makes its exit into the Atlantic around Monday and later into Tuesday, but then not a lot of time before our next system makes its way through. Low pressure is near the Mississippi River Valley, so we're in that warm sector there. We'll have a few bouts of snow before a quick changeover and then some rain showers. But once we get on the cold side of this storm, we'll see some snow showers for the state, mainly central Pennsylvania. And Friday, just a few showers here and there. But tonight, it's going to be a bit dicey. The changeover to snow, once the temperature goes below freezing, we'll see temperatures get down to 29 degrees in spots, and that wind is going to stick around. Gusts could exceed 20 miles per hour, so if you have any plans tonight, plan accordingly for the wind. It's going to make moving around, driving, walking around a bit treacherous. And tomorrow, we won't see as much wind, but we'll still have a couple 5 to 10 mile per hour breezes here and there, but the skies will remain mostly cloudy for the most part. 36 degrees, something we're more used to seeing in the month of January. The 7-day, we see a lot of clouds, and that's going to be the narrative, so get used to some cloudy skies in central PA. Sunday, of course, we have that winter storm coming in. It's going to be a quick one, however, but we could see some accumulations in the northern portion of the state. For Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there's these light chances of snow and rain here and there, especially on Wednesday when that storm moves through, and Thursday when things cool down a bit. Of course, temperatures getting above freezing, we could see some snow melt, and we round it out on Friday with just a few more flurries. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Connor Friedoff, wishing you a wonderful weekend.